In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I redid all of these braids. I did do this hairstyle before, but I did not show the process. So here I am. I did start off with the middle, and then I made all of those sections. So on each side, it is 4 braids, altogether 8 braids. I am redoing the back because we were just busy and I wanted to just recreate this hairstyle. So that's what you see me doing right here. Everything that I am using will be in the description box. I am going to heavily be using this brush as I braid. I like to detangle because I don't want no tangled up hairs. I did mold the hair with some braiding gel. I'm only going to be showing you guys how I did this one side. Again, you want to start off with parting your client's hair right down the middle. Make sure their hair is blow dried. And then once you part it down the middle, on each side, you're going to part that down the middle as well. I like to use the ear going behind the ear, and that's how I make the 2 braids in the front. And then the other 2, I just kind of do that part in half as well. And that's pretty much how you do it. If you want a more in-depth type of video, I also have done this hairstyle time and time again on my other son, but I will link that in here in the top right corner. And you see me just detangling. I am using the rat tail, but I am just combing out the very ends, and then I am going to go to the next braid. But that is pretty much how I do this hairstyle. If you have any questions, please comment below. And if you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button. And I just wanted to show you guys some of this footage. You see I am cleaning up the parts. And in order to do that, I kind of had to take down the other braid. And that's how I really cleaned it up, because you don't want to be parting while something's already tucked away. So you're going to see me kind of just either go around it or take it down. But either way, if I see that it's pulling into the other part, I don't do it. So I kind of just make a line on the outer part of the part to clean it up. And that's pretty much how I section this part. I'm really making sure that I am not running into that other braid that is already there. Again, I will take it down if need be. Well, I'm going to stop babbling and just let you guys watch me create this hairstyle. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it.